Okay, so today is the day. I'm gonna pierce my nose for real. I did this years ago and I thought it was cute and I loved it, but I had taken it out many years ago. I'd probably say it's been like 15 years since I had my nose pierced. And I've just been like really liking the idea. Excuse me for my wet shirt. I just freshly washed my face, as you can see, and I'm a mess because I want to make sure that everything I'm working with, including my skin, is clean and ready to go. So I had been toying with the idea of putting a nose ring back in, and I bought off Amazon this little pack of like easy to install like nose rings that you can just wear. It's just like a clip-on, but I really like the stud and it didn't give me the same like experience or look or whatever. So I was thinking about going out and getting my nose pierced at like a tattoo shop or something like that, but for whatever reason, like I just feel really nervous and I would just rather, I wanted to see what my DIY options were. So I popped open Amazon and I was shocked at how many kits there are and how inexpensive they are. So that was a big eye-opener. Like, I can't believe it. So I bought this little kit and it was like under $15 and it comes with 3 and it's supposed to be like a really quick and easy little kit. I'll link it down in the description box below, but it's supposed to be like a really easy little kit to install. So we're gonna open this up and see. Okay, so in the box it comes with 3 of these like disposable nose piercing units. Oh, sorry, I put it down here. Okay, so it's got a little like pointy end here, and then it looks like a really easy system. So we're gonna do this together. And then it comes with 3 alcohol wipes that are 70% isopropyl alcohol. So that will help clean the area first. And then the reason I bought this particular kit is because it comes with replacement nose rings. The barb at the end of this one, I don't know that I want to keep that in forever. So I like these ones that are like twisty. That's the kind that I always used to use, was those ones with the like you twist in and then they sort of sit flat against the inside of your nose. So I really like that it came with replacement ones that you can put in, because from experience too, you can lose them. So we're gonna follow these instructions, and it says disinfect with alcohol pad and then mark your nose and then press at the marked position and release when it's completed. I think so I have a brand new marker here. I'm going to open this marker and then I'm going to pick the spot that I want first, and then I'll disinfect it with alcohol wipe, just to make sure that it is extra super duper clean. And I'm going to use you as my little helper here. Although I feel nervous, I feel like I should have a mirror. Hold on. Okay, so I marked my spots in the bathroom instead of right here in the camera because I wanted to make sure I got it right. And as you can see, I did 2 marks because the first one didn't feel quite right. So definitely do more than one, or use a marker and make sure you're happy with the positioning, because if you go ahead and just put the nose ring in without making sure that you're happy with the position, you might regret it later. So as you can see, you can actually see my old nose ring hole there. And so we're gonna go for this one that's closer to the tip of my nose. So I'm just opening up this pack now and getting it ready. Oh, I feel nervous. Oh my goodness. This was kind of on a whim, but I hope it all works out okay. You're gonna be with me while I do this. So, okay, so I've got the pack open and now I'm gonna use the alcohol wipe and just clean the area well. So the alcohol wipe didn't take off the marker completely, but I just feel better doing it as the last step. So, oh my goodness. Okay, so here it is. So I'm going to, I guess, quickly just discharge it into my nose. This is nerve-wracking. Okay, I gotta get in close, make sure I'm super happy with it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh, my eyes are watering. It is a little painful, but not bad actually. I think it was because I hesitated. I hesitated a little bit, but there it is. It's in. It's done. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay, I like it. Okay, so we'll see how it heals, but this little kit was super easy. It was, I wouldn't say completely painless, but I've already recovered. So I'd say like 7 seconds and you don't feel it again. And it's done. I didn't have to go and spend a ton of money and go to someone that I don't know. And it was really actually simple, and it's done right from the comfort of my own home. So I'm quite happy. Yeah, that's done. So 2 little pieces discharged from it. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't need any of this anymore. It's all finished and I can just discard it. So, oh my goodness, I have a nose ring. So that's exciting. So I'll keep you guys updated probably in a week or so and let you know how it's healing. And again, I'll link it down below if you're interested in piercing your nose and you just want to do it at home and be done. So yeah, talk to you again soon. Bye.